This is the customized double-end sanding machine, specially designed for wood panel sanding. Equipped with intelligent touch screen for simple parameter setting. The automatic feeding system ensures stable and smooth conveying. Easy to operate. Only one worker is needed for the whole processing procedure. Customizable structure to meet sanding requirements of various panel sizes. It achieves even and stable sanding effect, improving panel surface quality. Ideal sanding equipment for wood panel production line.